Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by inspecting the mesh for damage and cleaning if needed. This keeps baby safe. Once done, unfold the wrap and locate the center label as your alignment guide so the fabric sits centered on your chest. You place the center at sternum level, then bring both long tails over your shoulders, one each side, so weight will distribute evenly. Make sure tails are untwisted and smooth. This prevents pressure points and ensures the wrap will cinch uniformly when you proceed. You cross the tails behind your back and pull them snug to form a firm base. This is crucial for lumbar support. Then, bring the tails forward over each shoulder, creating an X across your chest that holds the mesh close. As you start to position baby, slide them in hip to hip and lower them into a deep pocket created by the mesh. Spread the fabric from knee to support their thighs. Make micro adjustments until baby sits high and close, which keeps air flowing through the mesh. You finish by bringing the tails around your waist and tying a reliable double knot under the baby's bottom. This anchors the carrier and prevents shifting. Then make sure baby's chin is off their chest and the airway is clear, and confirm fabric is spread from knee to support hips. If you feel slipping or sagging, stop, loosen the knot, pull the shoulder sections tighter, reseat baby higher, and retie. This single troubleshooting tip fixes most fit issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.